QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting system. Customers and accountants using QuickBooks often want to take the data into spreadsheet and do data crunching. Jivrus Integra for QuickBooks is a GSuite add-on that helps to connect with QuickBooks and get the entities data as well as the reports data into Google Sheet. Let me open a Google Sheet and demonstrate how we can use Jivrus Integra for QuickBooks to get data from QuickBooks into Google Sheet. In the add-ons, click on Get Add-on. Search for Jivrus Integra. You can pick the Jivrus Integra for QuickBooks. It's already installed here. If it is not installed, you can click on the install button here and install in your machine. Let me open it. Get into Start menu. When you open it the first thing it shows is to authorize with QuickBooks. So you can choose either a sandbox account or a production account. Click on Connect to QuickBooks. That takes you to the QuickBooks website to get an authentication. It is basically an OAuth authentication. So you enter your login credentials here and approve to connect. Once it is successfully connected, it gives one small message saying that successfully connected to QuickBooks. You can close this window. When you come back, you will see that it is connected to this company. I'm connecting to the sandbox company, so you're seeing the sandbox company here. Initially, there are no queries. You can create a query. Let's give some name. I want to get all my account info. So I'll pick it up from account entity. In the source, you have three options: entities, reports, and custom. For this demo, I'll pick it up from account. Let's leave the filter as is. I need to say which folder or which sheet it needs to go into. So let me create a sheet called entity account. Then I can execute this query. So you can see that now it has brought all accounting information into this Google Sheet. If you go back, you'll see this query here. You can execute this query or you can delete this query from right from here. Let's create one more query. This time I want to bring all my invoices. These are the entities that are available. You can pick and choose which entity that you want. Again, let me create an invoice tab or Google Sheet tab. So the invoice sheet is created. Now I can execute. So this brings all the invoices as well as invoice items. As you see here, invoices are here and the detailed invoice items are here, mapped by invoice ID. So there are simple entities like account, and there are composite entities like invoice, which has invoice and invoice item. So this add-on supports to bring both of that. Okay, so now you see these two queries that is saved for you. So anytime that you can come here, you can directly execute, or you can open that and see here, or change some configuration here and execute again. Let's go ahead and create some reports. I need to choose source as reports. Let me take profit and loss. So I'll need to create a new tab for it. The default tab is this. Let's say OK. The tab is created here. You can click on execute. And you can see the report coming out here. Right, similarly, you can pick up any number of entities or any number of reports and then pull the data here. Thank you.